guys, welcome back to my channel for another one of my small CVS haul. Thanks for joining me once again, and I hope you all are having a great week. If you're just joining us, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's go pick up some deals. The first deal I'll pick up will be the Colgate mouthwash. It's on sale for $4.96, and when you buy two, you get $5 back. I'm going to pick up two for a total of $9.92. I'll use a 3 off 2 coupon from Coupon 24 app. I'll pay $6.92, get 5 back, making them $1.92 or 96 cents each. Some weeks ago, we have the Arm & Hammer deal. They were on sale for buy one get two free, no extra care box back, and my store was out of the order blasters. So what I did was get a rain check, and I'll pick it up right now. I will pick up 3, and I'll use the rain check of buy one and get two free. These are priced at $6.59. I will pay $6.59, and that will make each item $2.20. This is my receipt for this transaction. It worked out very well. My 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Colgate applied. I used $13 in extra care box, paid 51 cents plus tax out of pocket, and I got $5 back for buying 2 Colgate mouthwash. The next item I'll pick up is the Eucerin hand cream. It's on sale for $4.99 and it's part of buy one get 3 back. I'm going to pick up one, and I have a $2 tier pad coupon that I'll use. That will leave me to pay $2.99, get 3 back, and that will make it free. The next deal I'll pick up is spend 12, get 5 back on any Hask hair care. I'll pick up 2 deep conditioner packets priced at $2.89 each, and I also pick up 1 leave-in spray conditioner priced at $8.29. These 3 items will total for $10.07. I have 2 CRTs that will help me with this deal. One is $3 off and a $4 off Hask hair care CRT. The 2 CRTs will take off $7, and I'll pay $7.07, get 5 back, making them $2.07 or 69 cents each. This is my receipt for this transaction. The Eucerin coupon applied, and also the 2 CRTs applied as well. I used $10.06 in extra care box to pay for this deal. Pay 0 out of pocket. All I paid was tax, and I got back $5 for the hair care deal and $3 back for the lotion deal. The next deal I'll pick up will be on the Tums of Men toothpaste. They are on sale for $5.96, and when you buy 2, you get $6 back. I'll pick up 2 for a total of $11.92. I will use a $3 digital coupon for one, and for the second one, I'll use another $3 coupon from Coupon 24 app. The 2 coupons will take off $6, and I'll pay $5.92, get 6 back, making them free and 8 cents money maker. I'm using a different account for this transaction, so I'm going to add the Eucerin hand cream to it, and it's on the deal of buy one get 3 back, and it's on sale for $4.99. I'll pick up 1, use a $2 tier pad coupon, pay $2.99 and get 3 back, making it free. This is my receipt for this transaction. It also worked out well. My coupons applied. I used $9 in extra care box. The last one was $2 and it adjusted down to $1.91. Paid only tax out of pocket, and I got 6 back for the toothpaste and $3 back for the lotion. The last item I picked up is the chocolate drink. It's originally priced at $4.79, but it's on clearance for 75% off, and the new price is $1.19. They only have 3 packs left, so I picked all 3 up, and they total $3.57. I used $3 extra care box and paid 57 cents plus tax out of pocket. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.